Imagine the intersection of modern dance, sound design, performance art, nature, and glitch art, and you'll likely find Kou Yamamoto, a Kyoto-based artist who pushes the boundaries of digital art by merging technology with the body. His Instagram handle is NOUSES_KOU, and from there you'll also find a link to his music work. To create these works, Yamamoto uses Touch Designer, which is software that uses a visual programming language to create interactive 2D and 3D applications. In interviews, he's explained that his choreography is largely improvisational, but that his movements often anticipate his visions of the post-production effects, which I find really interesting because it's hard for me to imagine the shapes, let alone the glitches and errors that Touch Designer could create while I'm randomly moving my body. I find his work fascinating mostly because it's very unclear to me what I'm looking at. If I didn't know about his process, I might guess that this is the perspective of a computer, which it's not, but he uses computing power to amplify his physical expressions, turning modern dance into something more expansive and abstract. Visually, nature plays a large role in many of his works, and as a result, prompts me to draw connections between the body, technology, and the natural world. I'm also quite drawn to the tension that he creates. The movements may seem improvised, but they're choreographed with the intention of creating these data-driven overlays. Which is driving which? It's a question we might be asking ourselves of our own behaviors. Yamamoto serves as another great example of how completely new expressions can result by combining and remixing tools readily at our disposal. Engaging with art like this is a great way to take a break from work we might be frustrated with and maybe inject it with a little fresher perspective. It's also a great reminder that although AI might aspire to work like this, it can really only be done with such a thoughtful human touch.